Hello, computer programmers. Welcome to part 2 of Mindful Coder. Today, we're diving into something that's quietly powerful, something every developer needs but rarely hears about, the developer's secret weapon, knowing where to look. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're falling behind because you don't remember every piece of syntax or command? Like you're supposed to have this massive mental database of code in your head? Yeah, same here. But here's the truth no one really talks about. You don't need to memorize everything to be a great developer. Seriously, think about it. Do you really think senior developers just know it all off the top of their heads? Nope. They Google, just like you, maybe even more. The trick isn't knowing everything. It's knowing where to look when you need something. That's the real superpower. It's kind of like cooking. A great chef doesn't remember every single recipe, but they know where to find them and how to use them when it counts. So stop beating yourself up for forgetting stuff. Stop thinking you're not cut out for this. Instead, get really good at using documentation. Practice how you search. Experiment with the right keywords. Get better at asking questions. On YouTube, ChatGPT, in forums, on Stack Overflow. And while you're at it, start building your own little reference system. Bookmark pages. Make a Notion board or a Google Doc. Keep track of those, I always forget this moments, because that's not a weakness, it's a strategy. Your brain isn't a hard drive, it's a compass. It's not supposed to store everything. It's supposed to help you find direction and get where you're going. So don't worry about what you don't remember. Worry about how good you are at finding the answer, because that is the developer's secret weapon. If no one told you this today, you're doing better than you think. Seriously, you're not behind, you're becoming. This journey of learning to code, it's not about having all the answers. It's about knowing how to find them and having the courage to keep going. Thanks for spending this time with me. And if this message helped you breathe a little easier, hold on to it. You've got everything you need to grow. You just have to keep moving. Until next time. And I'll see you in the next video of The Mindful Coder. If this helped, give it a like, share it with someone, and don't forget to subscribe.